In RFEM, we can simply access the export to the ISM interface by going to File, Export. Here we select Bentley ISM. After that, we have to specify a file name. RFEM communicates with the Ism Synchronizer and can export to a new ISM file. After we initiate the export, the ISM file is written and can be shown into the Ism Synchronizer. In the Ism Synchronizer, we open the exported file. All the structural information has been exported. The information includes section information, wall information, and also information, for example, for structural supports. During the export, it's possible to use mapping files to map different cross-section descriptions and cross-section names, and the same is valid for material names. Models can also be updated from Dlubal to Bentley ISM. In many cases, changes occur during the planning process. Here, a column is deleted and some bracings are added in RFEM. When adding bracings, you simply can click from one node to the other to enter the bracing, or you can use the drag and drop function to copy one diagonal to the other side of the building. To synchronize the changes with the ISM application, we start again the file export function in RFEM. We choose again ISM from Bentley. We update into the previous exported file. Now we choose the Update Existing ISM File option. The Ism Synchronizer is started during the update process. Inside the Ism Synchronizer, we can accept the made changes. Before we do this, we can view them into the 3D model. Changes are highlighted. Finally, I can update the repository. To address specific changes and to remember what has been done, we can add a change description. This information can be used while looking at different versions of the updates. Similar to the export, we can also import from Bentley ISM. In the Ism Synchronizer, we take a look at the structure that we want to import to Dlubal software. The Ism Synchronizer link works the same way to Dlubal RFEM or Dlubal RSTOP. To import the model into RFEM, we start the File Import dialog and choose Bentley ISM. Then we select the file we want to import. After this, a new model is created in RFEM. We choose Import to New Model. After the import process, the model is displayed in RFEM. In RFEM, I can check the cross-sections and the materials. In the display navigator, I can hide or show different settings. For example, I hide here the member and releases. Also, I can use different views of the model, and I can use different colors for different cross-sections to identify if the cross-sections are imported correctly. Each cross-section has a name which is shown in the table below. Same thing is true for materials. If material names do not match, we can use a mapping table to map them. Same is valid for cross-section.